7 in the morning. We're packing and doing laundry, and Ruby decides that I can't go anywhere or do anything. Right?
Yeah.
Look at this cat. I'm not gonna get any work done.
Yeah, good luck. now you know what it's like.
Oh God.
Sometimes I have her and Scootaloo.
She's purring. I don't know if you can hear it. She got a soft little purr. I work until noon today. I've been up since like 5:30 this morning entering case notes and like finishing up stuff, even though I haven't even clocked in. But yeah, I gotta go to the office and hand in some stuff too. But after that, I'm gonna go get a haircut. Then I'm gonna get my nails done. And then I'm gonna come home and pack. So, cheers. But sorry I got behind in Vlogmas. We did do fun things that you've been seeing. It's just been behind because we do the fun things and we come home and we clean and freak out. And I haven't had time to like edit and upload. But after noon today, I'm gonna have 2 weeks of doing nothing, right, Ruby? 2 weeks of nothing. Absolutely nothing. I only wish I could bring you with me. I'm sad. Mwah. She's so cuddly. I think they know. Oh, and she's also mad because I've taken over her bed. That's my packing zone, so I shut the door. She can't lay on her bed. She's not happy. Except she's purring. Yeah. Mwah. Baby kitty. I'm going to shame you on the internet.
Why?
Do you guys have a cleaning shirt? Phauxe has a cleaning shirt. It's his hobo, like, I'm surprised you just don't wear this to the airport.
No, I have different shirts for travel. It's not this shirt. Yeah.
Scooty, is he stealing all your stocks?
Yep.
Trauma. Hi, kitty.
Got your belly.
It's like, those are my socks. Yeah. Such a baby. Such a big boy.
Yeah.
You gotta control the house and keep the baby kitty under control.
Yeah.
Good luck with that, Scoot.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby. I swear to God, this cat is part dog.
Yeah.
Look at him. He looks like a dog. Once in a while, I get spoiled, and Foxy makes me yummy eggs with, like, everything in them. And then he makes himself a giant sandwich.
Yay.
And then our kitty's looking envy.
Yeah.
Happy Vlogmas! Ta-da-da! Here's Scootaloo, and I have a Ruby that's in my lap, demanding all my attention. I got a haircut. It is super short, and I have not had bangs since middle school, so this should be fun. And then Fox is upstairs vacuuming again, because we have 4 cats, so we have a lot of cat hair. And I'm supposed to be packing? I don't know. Somehow, I think I got my days mixed up because I posted day 14 and today's day 15, but last night we went to like a beer garden or like a Christmas market, so I'm really confused. But you know how you know you're going on vacation? You think you gotta dust things that you would never think to dust. I did not do the top shelf. I did the 2 shelves because look at that shine. My favorite was seeing the Kuna prints. Kuna prints on my shelf.
Hi.
Oh, you're still a hobo.
Hey, I got the shirt though.
Oh my God. So he won't change his shirt for you guys, but oh God, we gotta change it for the cat sitter. Oh, starving. I swear, I just mopped and swept this floor like 2 days ago.
I just vacuumed that carpet today.
I know. I'm like, oh, do I dare like clean these islands and wash everything?
Yeah. Just have it cleared off, so.
Yeah.
I don't know. Once I'm done with the water dishes, then anything that's left, I'm going to try to squeeze under here. Kuna!
You don't care.
Naughty kitty.
Naughty. No, no.
That's a naughty kitty.
Oh, here he goes again. It's kitty cat feeding time.
Mm-hmm.
And Phauxe the hobo.
Yes. A hobo watching over my kitties.
It's just like Hakuno's over there eating trash.
Yeah. Well,
Did he finish his food? Is that what happened?
Yeah, he's already done.
Oh my god.
Yeah, he eats quickly, that little guy.
These little gremlins are gonna be so ridiculous.
Yeah. But I don't know. I got,
I'm still trying to understand. Okay, so I put up 14 videos, and today's day 15. But I didn't put up the video of us at the Christmas market. That should have been day 14. So, how? Did the duck night and pagan night out happen the same night?
Wait, what was the duck night?
The duck night was the night that all I did was film us making ducks.
Oh, no, that was not the same night.
I don't get it. I don't know if I just got ahead or... I don't know. But look, now the cats are eating.
Yep.
And our house is ridiculous.
Yeah, and done vacuuming, I think.
You're done vacuuming?
Yep.
How?
Yeah. And then you gotta sweep those stairs and sweep the litter boxes and clean up there and scoop them.
Phauxe is a cleaning machine. And then I keep dusting and doing weird stuff that we don't need to do. And now I'm like obsessed about we got to clean these lamps, but probably not right now. But look at that. You can totally see the fuzz. Look at that fuzz. In January, somebody tell me to go dust my lamp. So we got gremlins on. We have cats. We have Phauxe frantically packing.
Hooray.
Her room's been destroyed, but it's fine. We have clean sheets.
Yeah. The comforter should be done by the time we're done packing. And then we might actually get like a few hours of sleep. Yeah, I am totally sleeping on this plane.
I never sleep on the plane. But gremlins! La 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 la. How's that Christmas letter coming?
Oh god.
Don't forget to pack the Christmas paper.
Dude. Yeah, that's... Good thing you mentioned it. I still got work to finish.
You're on vacation! You're gonna bring your laptop, aren't you?
Well...
Scooty apparently thinks he's luggage. You are not coming. Kuna has just been so naughty. Scootaloo's giving us attitude.
Hey.
Merry Christmas! And the crazy cat lady gets gargoyled. And the kitties trying to kill each other.
Chill out.
La 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 la.
You're being so nice before. Yeah.
Bye.
And he was said to, that people were complaining because his book kept on being number one.
Yeah.
And Shiny's upstairs. I haven't even seen Kuna.
He was around here somewhere.
Kunani!
I like swear I just saw him.
There he is. Hi. Oh, come here. Meow. Miss you. Best kitty. Bye, Shiny. He said said goodbye to him before.
Doing it with me. Okay. Hey, they were having fun with it. Why not? If you still can do it, go for it, right?
Sean's telling us about his mom and his Christmas. And her cowboy Christmas, which I'm totally Googling later. And he was very nice, and he gave me a very nice gift, and I forgot to vlog it.
You'll get it later.
I know. I'll show it when we put it up. Yay! Happy Vlogmas, John! We got to go in the pony movie.
We're at the airport.
Oh my god.
Let's go get rid of their stuff.
Yay!
Or when we return again.
Well, we have time. So.
Take care! First Phauxe finds like Starbucks at the airport. Do you think they'll ever like make a brand deal with us?
With how much I travel and how much I've come through here now, I was just dumbfounded that the line was so short.
Thank you. Hi. I'm so tired. We're gonna eat now.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
So not only do we get to go on a new ship, it's also a new plane.
La 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 la. Apparently we're in economy class.
I know. This is it. So new.
Say hi to Vlogmas.
That was our pilot.
I thought he was a crew guy.
Oh.
He's very impressed with his new plane. Let's go to Houston. And we got a coveted minnow seat. I don't know how he pulled this off. Magic.
Well, it's not a full flight for once, which is,
Never.
it rarely happens nowadays.
Please fasten your seatbelts.
Look at this leg room. Oh, yeah. Stretch out.
I don't know if this is making it to
Welcome
the wall.
United Flight 1850 to Houston.
car rental. That's time to go and find out if we can go to another alley. But, yeah.
So we are in our second rental car because the first one was a dud.
This one's not much better, but it's better.
Yeah, but it's got a backup camera, so there's that. And yeah, we're leaving the Houston airport and heading to our building. So hope see you guys there, and hopefully we can find some queue for lunch on the way there. So this is what traffic looks like in Houston, in case anyone was wondering.
Oh my God.
So, thoughts about Houston? Is it everything you hoped it would be?
How zoomed in on my face are you right now?
I'll zoom out some. There.
The traffic is scary.
Okay.
And, yeah. And my phone was not giving me instructions. Now we're looking for 129B.
Is that where the Alamo is?
We're not going. Do you want to go to the Alamo? Is that what we're doing today?
Come on. Are we in Chicago?
One time. Vlogmas, every pony. Stay tuned for us to explore Jubilee this winter as we go on a Christmas cruise for the maiden voyage for Carnival Jubilee this December. Stay tuned and feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and happy Vlogmas!